man, I gotta figure out this GoPro, man. It be freezing up and shit. But yeah, man, I'm about to pull up at the shipper, Procter and Gamble. And pick up the load. I think it's this gonna be a drop-in hook. Basically, a drop-in hook is when you drop your empty trailer. Oh shit, what was that? Oh, my fucking laptop fell. But you drop an empty trailer and you hook to a loaded trailer. And I believe the trailer is already ready.
Proceed north on New Park Boulevard in 1 mile. Continue straight on to Union Park Boulevard.
So yeah, I'll be doing that. Shouldn't take too long, probably like I say about 20 minutes. 20-30 minutes to do. Really, if that, it just probably the actual thing probably take probably like 15 minutes total. But I gotta do like my paperwork and stuff like that, then check in and find the actual trailer and find where I gotta drop it in. Simple.
Continue straight on to Union Park Boulevard.
This it. Let's see the truck entrance up here. This must be the employee entrance.
Proceed north on Union Park Boulevard in a quarter mile for your destination on the left. 9 p.m. KG.
Man, I ain't gonna lie, dog. I want something like this, man. Like a trucking company and like a big warehouse. Man, that shit be dope, man. I don't really know how the warehouse game go. Oh shit. Boy, look at that line. God damn. Serious. God damn. Man, that's like 100 trucks right there. I'm exaggerating, but that's at least, I don't know, it probably not exaggerating shit. So boom, about to hit our arrive in the system. They know I'm here.
When you get to the second stop sign, go inside that little building.
Oh. man. They about to check in. Check in, drop off this empty trailer. Pick up that loaded trailer. And be on my way to Tennessee. I'll probably be talking a little low because I got this mask on, but I'll talk low anyway. Yeah, everybody, you know, for the coronavirus, everybody gotta wear the mask, man. It's crazy. But yeah, man, I'm about to check in the office, and I'll be on my way, man. Day in the life. My child.
Okay, drop in line. Line is gonna be here.
Alright, sign in.
What's that?
I got a sign in.
Okay. You're gonna drop your MC in 1323, and you're picking up in 1348.
Alright.
Okay?
Alright.
Thank you.
Alright, thanks. Alright, man, so about to hurry up and do this so I'll get back on the road, man. I think this run I probably could get all the way down to here. I think it's probably like a 10-hour trip. Nah, probably like an 8-hour trip. That's the spot I'm going in. I guess you get to see how I park that thing, man. See, I do that 90, and I do like a 45 degree. Well, I guess a 90, then a 180. I don't know. Like I said before, man, parking ain't my best thing, but I know enough. I know to do it good enough to get in now. But I ain't like this. This is a good job right here. I just did, but not all the time I do it. I get it perfect the first go. See, look like he got a live unload. Look like, I don't know. Take my hood off. Wind this thing on down. I like to wind this down first before I hook it, because I'm kind of like, even though I don't think it'll fall, I'm kind of spooked that it probably will fall. So I make sure that liner get down first before I hook it. I think it's a good practice though, because You don't want to unhook this first. Unhook it first. Then you forget to do that. And you just pull off. And you looking stupid. Alright. So I'm on hook. I'm about to hook up. Let me go on Sleeper Bird right quick. Save some of my driving
You have
time.
7 hours and 55 minutes of remaining drive time.
I'm gonna have to stop at a truck stop, bro. Stomach bubbling. Nah, I ain't bubbling like that, but I'm gonna have to stop it. Nah. Now, boom, hook up to this one. It's up here somewhere. It's 1348. The spot. Stay under 5 miles per hour, so I stay in Sleeper Bird. Save my drive time. Do my pay work and take off, man. That's about it. Hit that road, you hear me? Hit that interstate. The any. Yeah, that's the trailer right there I need to hook up to. Man, I feel like eating some Taco Bell, I ain't gonna lie. Now, I've been trying to eat more healthier. I've been like, I think for the last week, I've been trying to eat less meat. More fruits and vegetables and stuff. Cause yeah, man, being on the road, bro, it's like if you don't watch how you eat, like it could be real unhealthy, man. Living on the road, cause you just, well, I ain't gonna lie, back at home, man, I eat nothing but fast food anyway. I ain't gonna lie. But which is bad. So I'm trying to drink some more of these. Got the fruits and vegetables in it. And it's pretty good, man. It's real sweet, man. I'd be surprised. I was surprised, like, there's a lot of fruit juice in it. Even though it's green, there's a lot of fruit juice in it. Alright. So boom, so I just basically doing the opposite now. Putting my cables on. Checking, make sure my trailer lock to the fifth wheel. Line this thing on up. Winding on up like a U-Haul truck. I'm gonna check my seal. Oh, it don't have a seal. I guess I'll get my seal when I go out front. This is Swiffer Wet. Some cleaning supplies and shit. Oh, this might be the seal. Might be. I'm gonna leave this back here. I think they gotta check it. I think they gotta lock it. I don't know. Everywhere's different, man. Okay. My tanners gotta put. My trailer gotta get air in it so the tanners could unlock. Yeah, I like to set my tan. I like to do everything. Well, not Eric. So like I like to put all my information and all that in the system. Well, dang, I ain't got it, huh? So I'm gonna have to wait. Shit, I get out down now. I'ma at least slide my tanners right quick before I leave. See that one of them locks didn't unlock, so I'm gonna have to wiggle wiggle it so it could unlock. So what I do, I roll down the window, and you can kind of hear it when it unlocks. So I'm gonna go forward first. Yeah, I heard it. So now it's unlocked. Push back. Basically, you kind of guesstimating where it's at. I kind of got a feel for how far I would go back to be lined up, and not like I got it on the money. I want that 41 right in the middle of that real tan. Now I got pull forward a little bit, and I'll be straight. I'm locked and loaded. So now I guess I'm going to the exit. I think it's I can't go out where I came in. I gotta go out a different way. So go there. After that, hit that road. You hear me?
right there for you. You can see 120088. Your destination is Cleveland, Tennessee, correct?
Yeah.
Just want to make sure before I seal it up. All right, go ahead and seal it up, and then come up to my window. Driver's license number, state of issue, officer.
What's that?
Customer copy goes to the customer when you get there. The next one give them is the driver copy. Big deal for the driver. Here you go, boss.
All right, man. So that's it, man. About to head to Tennessee. Go ahead and head to Tennessee. Get on this road, man. So I hate that about this fucking radio, man. It always come on with static and shit. But yeah, man, I'm about to head to a truck stop right quick. Take me a little bathroom break. Then after that, man, hit the inning. First, I gotta see where a truck stop at. Should have one close. But anyway, man. Yeah, I was a little outside Daytona. But anyway, I'll holler at y'all later, man. Probably get some more footage on the next video of my ride to the, cause I know I'm trying to think how I'm gonna do this video. It's gonna be kind of long. Hold up for my destination now. But I'll see y'all in the next video. I'll let y'all.